I'm sure you've heard the news. Cybersecurity threats are on the rise. Let's dive into the most alarming breaches. The White House reported a staggering 9.9% increase in federal cybersecurity incidents in 2023. That's 32,211 breaches. Improper system usage and phishing led to 11 major data breaches. Stricter access controls and enhanced phishing detection are a must. Next up, Arlington, Massachusetts lost nearly $446,000 in an email scam. Hackers impersonated a vendor and only $3,308 was recovered. No sensitive data was compromised, but this highlights the need for vigilance. Train employees to spot suspicious emails and verify payment changes directly. Lastly, Israeli researchers exposed security flaws in the VSCode marketplace. Malicious extensions mimicked popular themes, revealing thousands of threats. Always use extensions from trusted sources and prioritize cybersecurity in development. Stay informed and stay safe. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.